show you how you can fix the Snapchat features missing problem. And sometimes you might be in a position where you're looking for some features that your friend has, but you do not. So sometimes this might occur, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. So now let's get into the video. So sometimes the problem might be is you have a bad internet connection, so the Wi-Fi or the cellular data you're on is not enough to load the features, which is why some features are missing. So try getting into a better connection, Wi-Fi or a better cellular connection that will help you load more features within Snapchat. And also what you can do is check to see if your app is sending or receiving data. Even if you're in good connection, sometimes the app itself is not functioning and not receiving data. So try loading up some stories and see if they work. And if they do, you know it's not a problem with the connection. The another thing you can do is obviously go to your Play Store and try and update your app if you have any recent updates that need to be done, because some features when you come to the app after you update it, so try updating the app and see if the features are now there on your app. The third thing you can also do is not all features of Snapchat are present or allowed, or if you're able to load the feature in all regions. So some regions, some features are missing. So check if the region you're in has that feature or not. Like if your friends have that feature and you do not, then it's not a problem with the region. But if nobody in your region has this feature, the Snapchat is not allowed this feature. It rolled out this feature in your region. So if this is the case, all you have to do is wait for Snapchat to allow this feature to your region, and then only after they do that, if only after they allow the permission, will you be able to use the feature. You just have to wait that out. And sometimes the Snapchat also, the features roll out very slowly, so not everybody gets all features all at once. Some people will have this feature and sometimes you just have. So that's all I have.